Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into something seriously cool, how to generate a scene and convert to a jaw-dropping animated video in just 5 minutes using Kling AI. Let's get started. Head over to Kling AI. Log in using your Gmail. Kling AI provides trial package with monthly free credits which you can use for your practice. Once you're in, you'll land on a super clean and beginner-friendly interface. Select Image option to start. Up top, you'll see some model options. Ignore those for now, the default is perfect. Now let's make our masterpiece. Using this prompt, I've dropped the prompt in the description so you can just copy-paste it. Next, pick your aspect ratio. I'm going with 9:16, perfect for social media posts. And set how many images you want. Leave the mode on standard. Click on Generate button. Image ready? Awesome. Now you've got two animation paths to choose from. Option 1. Hover on the image and select Generate Video. Option 2. Already have an image saved? Select Video Copy option on the left. Upload your image and boom, you're back in action. Now the fun part, bringing it to life. Use the motion brush tool to paint the parts you want to move. Select Brush option and brush size. I'm brushing over the train to make a rough selection. Select Track option and specify the direction in which you want the train to move. It's like giving life to a painting. Click on Confirm. Returns back to the main window. Now we have to specify the prompt for video generation. Since we have used Motion Brush and specified what is required to be done, the prompt becomes very simple. Pretty cool, right? Set the duration and output parameters and click on Generate. And let Kling do its magic. While it's working, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more. Also, check out the shorts on this channel and comment which one you'd like a full tutorial for. Video is generated. Download your video. You now officially have your own mini animation. How cool is that? Now let's level it up with sound. Head over to Pixabay.com and search for something like Shuttle Train. All tracks are free and safe to use. Use any of your favorite video editing tool. I am using Premiere Pro here. Import your video and audio, line them up, tweak the volume and export it in full quality. And just like that, bam! You've created your very own AI-powered animation. If you have learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. See you in the next tutorial. Keep creating.